Vinegar is an item that has very many uses in the home. It finds a lot of use in the kitchen, in salads, in cooking, in beverages. It is used in self-care products in a home. It's used in cleaning products at home. The list of its uses is really long. In this video, we are going to be making vinegar from rosemary and bananas. So we are going to start by cutting our banana peels and bananas into smaller pieces that will fit into our jar. Remember, the bananas do not have to be necessarily good bananas. They can be overripe bananas, they can be damaged bananas, they can be banana peels. All those things can work while we are making vinegar. So we are going to put them in our jar. This jar that I'm using is around 700 milliliters by volume. I am going to lightly pack it. Put the banana peels and the bananas. Then I'm going to be adding the rosemary to this jar still. This produces a vinegar that smells really good. I love the smell of this vinegar. So fill it with rosemary. I'm just removing my rosemary from the sticks and then filling them in the jar. Remember not to overfill your jar. You can push them down a bit. I'm using this rosemary stick to do that. And when I've put enough of my rosemary, I am going to be adding water such that all the rosemary and all the bananas are covered with water. And after that, I am going to be adding sugar. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Remember, the quantity of sugar varies depending on the sweetness of the item you're using. For example, I'm using bananas and rosemary, which bananas are sweet but rosemary is not sweet. So I'm using 3 tablespoons. I made a video when I was using bananas only. You can watch it. I'm going to link to it in the description below. And I made another one with rosemary. You'll find that the sugar levels differ depending on what you're using to make the vinegar. And after stirring properly, I am going to get my cheesecloth with a rubber band and I'm going to seal it off, just to keep away bugs and to make sure that while this vinegar brews, it will be healthy. And I'm going to set it on the counter. I'll be coming to stir it every now and then. After 5 days, this is how our vinegar looks like. You can see the rosemary has started losing color. The bananas are also changing color. You see how they start looking. Let me just remove the cover and we see what is inside. You see the layer that is forming on top. So I am going to stir using a wooden stick. And you can see the bubbles, which indicate that fermentation is actually taking place. So I'll keep stirring every now and then until 21 days have passed. After 21 days pass, I sieve the vinegar and put it in a bottle and seal it off for storage and use for a later date. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe, give us a like, support us to produce more content just like this one. Until next time, stay healthy and God bless you.